Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Tuesday the 2nd of January 2018. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me on Twitter at ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. Obviously, it's the first trading session of 2018 for the vast majority of us, and I just want to flag a couple of trends that caught my eye on that basis. First of all, the euro starting 2018 with a 1.2027 handle against the US dollar, up around 1.42% over the prior 7 days. Let's look at dollar index 92.11 trading shortly before we went live. And that's down around 1.25%, or just shy of that, over the prior week. Interestingly, though, given the move in the euro and the dollar, we haven't seen any strength from the yen, or any further strength from the yen, and 112.66 is where dollar yen starts the week. Bitcoin, however, is on the defensive, down just shy of 16.5% over the prior 7 days, with a $13,153 per coin handle shortly before we recorded the video. Okay, what's on the calendar today? Events that may move the markets. It's a pretty slow start to the week, and we're gently easing in. What we have got is a raft of PMI data coming out of Europe from 8:15 all the way through to 9:30. It starts with Spain, and we finish with GBP, or UK market manufacturing PMI data, and at 14:30 and 14:45 respectively this afternoon we'll have those numbers for Canada and the US, and the day is finished off with bill and bond auctions out of the States between 4:30 and 1800 GMT today. Okay, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye. The trading week starts in Asia, of course, and that's where the data and the news has come from. First of all, Indian manufacturing PMI has grown at its fastest rate for 5 years, according to data for December. Staying with manufacturing PMI, Hong Kong equities have been boosted by strong Caixin PMI manufacturing data from China, and so the Hong Kong equity market off to a flying start for 2018. Meanwhile, South Korean manufacturing activity has declined slightly during December, and staying in Southeast Asia, Q4 GDP from Singapore grew by an impressive 3.1% year over year, beating forecasts. WTI US crude oil remains above $60 per barrel on those Iranian protests that gathered pace over the weekend, and gold is at $1,310 per ounce this morning. Okay, food for thought, something for you to take away with you into the trading day and the week ahead. And the question I want to ask, or the idea I'd like to put into your mind is this: are there any clues for 2018 in the performance data for asset classes from 2017? And here we've got a list of a variety of selected commodities and instruments, ranked purely in the order of their performance. So palladium up 56.17% during 2017, and orange juice fell 28.53% over the course of the last year. Might be worth just having a look to acquaint yourself with the movements of the key asset classes in here, and perhaps trying to extrapolate what that tells us about the likelihood of changes in the price performance during 2018. Right, risk warning time. Please take a moment to read the risk warning, because trading CFDs and foreign exchange on margin can be a risky business, and if you are in any doubt about those risks, please do contact your Pepperstone account representative. It just remains for me to wish you a happy new year and to say thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to speaking to you tomorrow.